Prepare to discover the extraordinary power that has left medical experts astonished. If you find yourself on the sunny side of 50, this miraculous spice is about to redefine your life in ways beyond your wildest dreams. Fasten your seatbelts because today we're delving into a captivating subject that will leave you utterly mesmerized. While ginger has long been a staple in traditional medicine throughout the ages, recent scientific revelations have exposed astounding benefits tailored to revolutionize the lives of those navigating the golden years. Get ready to witness the global phenomenon as this unassuming root takes the world by storm, leaving medical professionals astounded by its profound impact on health and vitality. In this video, we unveil the top 5 life-altering benefits of ginger, specifically tailored for individuals over 50. Delving into the science behind these remarkable effects, we'll also share effortless yet impactful ways to seamlessly integrate ginger into your daily routine. Trust us, you won't want to miss this transformative information that has the potential to revolutionize your health and well-being. Stay tuned until the end as we uncover the secrets of this extraordinary spice that's creating waves of conversation. It's time to embrace the power of ginger and embark on a journey to living your best life, regardless of your age. Let's dive in. Let's kick off by delving into ginger's remarkable anti-inflammatory properties. One of the standout features of ginger is its powerful anti-inflammatory capabilities, courtesy of gingerol, a bioactive compound that acts as a superhero in combating inflammation. As we age, our bodies inevitably endure more wear and tear, and for those over 50, this can pose particular challenges. Joint aches, pains, and stiffness can turn even the simplest tasks into Herculean efforts. But fear not, for ginger is here to the rescue. The robust, anti-inflammatory effects of gingerol work wonders in soothing those aching joints and mitigating inflammation, making it an invaluable ally for those grappling with arthritis or other inflammatory conditions. Yet that's not the end of the story. Ginger's anti-inflammatory superpowers extend beyond mere pain relief. By curbing inflammation, it also enhances overall mobility, an essential factor for maintaining an active and independent lifestyle as we age. Whether it's strolling in the park or keeping up with the grandkids, ginger lends a helping hand, ensuring you move with ease and comfort. A groundbreaking study in the journal Pain Medicine uncovered astonishing benefits of ginger for older adults. The research revealed that ginger significantly alleviates pain, even outperforming conventional painkillers. While the study primarily focused on menstrual pain in older women, the findings underscore ginger's potent pain relief and anti-inflammatory properties. These remarkable benefits extend to various health concerns for older adults, encompassing arthritis, digestive issues, and age-related inflammation. So the next time you feel a bit stiff or achy, remember to turn to ginger, your trusted inflammation-fighting companion. Whether it's adding a dash of this magical spice to your meals or savoring a warm cup of ginger tea, unlock its healing properties, and your body will undoubtedly thank you. With ginger by your side, you might just discover that age is merely a number. Now let's shift our focus to the digestive health benefits of ginger. With a well-established reputation as a reliable and effective natural remedy for various digestive issues, ginger emerges as a true godsend for individuals over 50. As we age, our digestive systems may become temperamental, leading to discomforts like bloating, gas, and indigestion, enough to cast a shadow over even the liveliest dinner parties. But fear not, because ginger is here to save the day once again. This unassuming root possesses a unique ability to promote the proper functioning of the digestive system, providing much-needed relief for that turbulent tummy. What's the secret behind ginger's digestive magic, you ask? It's all thanks to its potent compounds, including gingerols and shogols. These remarkable elements collaborate to stimulate the production of digestive enzymes and relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, making it more comfortable for food to pass through, like a gentle massage for your insides. If you find yourself, especially over 50, grappling with digestive issues more frequently, why not give ginger a try? With its extensive history as a natural remedy, it's undoubtedly worth exploring. Simply add a pinch of ginger to your favorite recipes, savor some soothing ginger tea, or indulge in candied ginger snacks. Your digestive system will extend its gratitude, and you might discover yourself feeling lighter, more comfortable, and ready to take on the world. Now, let's seamlessly transition to another incredible aspect of ginger, its immune-boosting properties. Particularly beneficial for individuals over 50, whose immune systems may not be as robust as they once were. Consider ginger's immune-boosting prowess a true gift. As we age, our bodies become more susceptible to infections and common illnesses, which can disrupt our plans and leave us feeling less than optimal. But fear not, for ginger is here to extend a helping hand. Thanks to its antimicrobial and antioxidant properties, ginger becomes a valuable ally in strengthening the immune system, empowering it to ward off those pesky germs and keeping you at your best. But hold on, there's more. The antioxidants in ginger do more than just support a healthy immune system. They also play a crucial role in neutralizing free radicals, those notorious molecules capable of wreaking havoc on our bodies and contributing to a range of age-related health problems. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're not just fortifying your immune defenses, you're also taking a proactive approach to maintaining your overall well-being. So, continuing our exploration of ginger's multifaceted benefits, if you're over 50 and seeking a tasty and natural way to give your immune system an extra boost, why not give ginger a try? Add some zing to your meals with a sprinkle of ginger powder, cozy up with a steaming cup of ginger tea, or indulge in a ginger-infused smoothie. With ginger by your side, you'll be better equipped to fend off infections and embrace a healthier, more vibrant life. Now let's turn our attention to another remarkable facet of ginger, its ability to support cognitive health. Ginger, a versatile spice that not only adds a flavorful kick to your favorite dishes, but also delivers a powerful punch in the realm of cognitive support, especially for individuals over 50. As we gracefully age, our brains may benefit from a little extra tender, loving care, and that's precisely where ginger comes into play. Some research suggests that ginger may possess neuroprotective effects, contributing to the maintenance of cognitive function and keeping our minds sharp as the years go by. It acts like a personal trainer for your brain, diligently keeping those mental muscles toned and ready for action. But how does ginger work its brain-boosting magic? The answer lies in its rich supply of antioxidants, which play a crucial role in combating oxidative stress, the arch nemesis of cognitive health. Oxidative stress has been implicated in a range of age-related cognitive issues, including cognitive decline, Alzheimer's disease, and other neurodegenerative disorders. By incorporating ginger into your diet, you're essentially arming your brain with the tools it needs to fend off the harmful effects of oxidative stress and stay in tip-top shape. So, if you're over 50 and eager to maintain a sharp and focused mind, consider introducing a touch of ginger into your life. Sprinkle some ginger powder into your favorite recipes, savor a soothing cup of ginger tea, or even experiment with ginger supplements. With ginger as your trusty cognitive sidekick, you'll be well equipped to tackle life's challenges and continue to dazzle the world with your mental prowess. Finally, let's explore how ginger can play a crucial role in blood sugar regulation, a culinary delight that moonlights as a champion for maintaining balanced blood sugar levels, particularly for individuals over 50. As we gracefully age, the importance of balanced blood sugar levels becomes increasingly apparent, especially for those at risk of developing type 2 diabetes or those already managing the condition. Enter ginger, the unsung hero of blood sugar regulation. This feisty little root has demonstrated its prowess in helping regulate blood sugar levels by enhancing insulin sensitivity. By doing so, ginger makes it easier for your body to respond to insulin, thereby keeping your blood sugar in check. How does ginger work its blood sugar balancing magic? It's all thanks to its unique cocktail of bioactive compounds, including gingerol and zingerone. These mighty molecules play a crucial role in improving the body's response to insulin, ensuring efficient glucose absorption by your cells and preventing blood sugar spikes that could disrupt your health. So, in this exploration of ginger's multifaceted benefits, we conclude with its significant impact on blood sugar regulation. If you're over 50 and seeking a natural way to support healthy blood sugar levels, why not give ginger a try? Whether it's adding a pinch of ginger powder to your morning oatmeal, sipping on invigorating ginger tea, or experimenting with ginger supplements, incorporating this potent root into your daily routine can help keep your blood sugar on an even keel. With ginger by your side, you'll be better equipped to manage your blood sugar and embrace a healthier, more balanced lifestyle. And there you have it, the top 5 astonishing benefits of ginger that are leaving medical professionals astounded and transforming the lives of individuals over 50. We trust this video has ignited a spark within you, encouraging you to harness the extraordinary power of this spice and personally experience its life-altering effects. Now, we're eager to hear from you. Are you already reaping the rewards of ginger? Or are you excited to give it a try? Share your thoughts, experiences, and favorite ginger-infused recipes in the comments below. We're looking forward to reading your stories. If you found this video insightful and valuable, be sure to give it a big thumbs up. Your likes play a vital role in spreading the word about the remarkable health benefits of ginger, reaching even more individuals who can benefit from this age-defying miracle spice. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for a continuous stream of amazing content that will empower you to lead your healthiest and happiest life. Until next time, stay ginger-tastic and keep thriving regardless of your age.